Hello, my name is Keith Rains. I'm a Circuit Court Judge for the state of Oregon. I want to discuss a few issues that can be confusing to parents, the concept of custody and parenting time. Those are terms used in Oregon law. Each state uses similar terms in their own laws. Many people do not understand the differences between custody and parenting time. The term custody has some negative perceptions, and we may be moving away from that term in the future, but for now, it's the term we use in Oregon's laws. Custody is about decision-making for a child. It does not have to do with how much time each parent spends with the child. Custody includes decisions about where the child will go to school and live, who will be their doctor, and when they'll go to the doctor, and what religion the child will follow. While the parent with custody has that decision-making authority, ideally that parent is consulting with the other parent about major decisions or changes. Custody does not control how much time the child spends with either parent. Parenting time used to be called visitation, but visitation is something you do with someone in the hospital or in jail. Parenting time is a more accurate term because it describes time when your child will be in the care of each parent. In Oregon, like many other states, parents can have joint or sole custody. Joint custody means an arrangement where the parents share rights and responsibilities for major decisions about the child, including the child's residence, education, health care, and religious training. With joint custody, both parents must agree on the decision. Under Oregon law, no matter who has custody, both parents generally have the right to access to the child's school, medical, dental, police, and counseling records. Both parents can usually authorize emergency medical care. Sole custody means that only one parent makes all the major decisions for the child. By law in Oregon, if either or both parents do not agree to joint custody, a court cannot order it. But if both parties agree to joint custody, a court must order it. The reasoning for that law is that if the parents can't agree to make decisions together, they're unlikely to make joint decisions successfully in the future. The parents can agree to joint custody with one of them responsible for an area of decision-making, like education or health. A custody order for joint custody doesn't necessarily mean equal decision-making. A custody order may identify one home as the primary residence of the child and appoint one parent with the sole power to make decisions about specific matters, while for other decisions, both parents retain equal rights and responsibilities. Some laws in Oregon use the term legal custody or physical custody. Legal custody is all about decision-making and responsibility for your child's actions. Physical custody is about a child being with a particular parent. Parenting time benefits children by providing them with time with each parent. Courts try to promote a strong, healthy, bonded relationship between children and their parents. It's in your child's best interest to have a strong and healthy relationship with each parent and to enjoy time with each parent. A parenting plan is the schedule of when your child will spend time with each parent. Parenting plans, whether agreed to by the parents or ordered by the court, must spell out the minimum amount of time each parent will have with the child. In most counties in Oregon, before a court will make a decision regarding custody or parenting time, the parents must try to work out a plan through mediation. If the parents cannot agree, the court will then make the decision. Oregon law requires that before a parent moves more than 60 miles from the other parent, they must give reasonable notice to the other parent and to the court. A parenting plan may be changed if a different parenting plan would be in the best interests of the child. The best parenting plan has a lot of detail. Who will take care of the child if the child is sick and it's time for a parenting time exchange? Who will provide transportation? Figuring out these details now will reduce the likelihood that someone will be surprised or disappointed when there's an unexpected event and you're both trying to get to work. How will holidays be shared? And holidays means more than state and federal holidays. It means any special time that you spend with your family and the child, whether it's a camping trip or hunting trip or family reunion or Easter or Halloween. Figure out how the child can enjoy both families for these special events. You can find resources for creating a parenting plan on the websites of the Oregon Judicial Department and the Oregon Child Support Program. If you have a parenting plan, the Oregon Child Support Program will use that for the calculation of child support. Visit the websites for more information. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best as you navigate this journey. Put your children first and make a parenting plan you can all agree to.